Hey, our future leaders of the country, you are supposed to be going well by the immeasurable grace of the Almighty Allah in this worldwide crisis. And we hope all the people of the world should be saved from this cruel attack of COVID-19. After a couple of days, again I'm here with you going to present a class about connectors. This topic is mostly important for classes 9 and 10, and this class is especially for the SSC level, that means intermediate level. So before going to class, I want to share some important issues, how you can make good marks in this topic. First of all, you have to know some words that will help you to make the answer easy. Actually, to learn a language, vocabulary is most important factors. Without vocabularies and without phrases, we can't learn a language properly. So I strongly suggest you, advise you to enrich your vocabulary and words, phrase and group verbs of that language, and then you can be an fluent listener and perfect speaker of that language. So let's get started with the topic. Firstly, I am showing the importance of connectors. To go to the main point, we have to learn what is connectors. Connectors, the word which are used to connect, meaning more than two words and more than two sentences or more than two sentences. Here Mr. Rana as well as his friends visited the zoo and the National Museum. Visited the zoo and the National Museum. In this sentence, we find Mr. Rana as well as his friends. Here Mr. Rana and his friends. Two groups of words connected with as well as, and you can see the zoo and the National Museum. Here is two group of words and two noun phrase are connected with and. So these two words show us they connect more than two words. So he came to learn some knowledge of our cultures and customs. Here we have used so. So is another connective word that connects the meaning and the flow of the language. And here we are telling that Mr. Rana as well as his friends visited the zoo and the National Museum. That's why, or so, for that cause, he came to learn some knowledge of our cultures and customs. So here so is used as the connection of the flow of language. Actually, I am telling you this sentence express a meaning and this sentence express another meaning. Both sentence have both meaning, and these both meanings are connected with so. Here is a full stop. Here the two sentences are not connected to meanings are connected. So firstly, our aim is to know connectors. That means connectors, again I am defining, as well as and, so, and these types of words are called connectors because they connect two words or more than two words, two meanings or more than two meanings, two sentences or more than two sentences, and so they are connectors. Second question. First question we have completed. Second question is that what types of words are used as connectors? Here is the most important point. All you have to know what types of words are used to connectors. Here I have written 5 arena of connectors, and these issues or these items contain a lot of words that are used as connectors. Firstly, conjunctions. Conjunctions is the main part of connectors. Here generally three types of conjunctions: subordinating, coordinating, correlative. Subordinating conjunctions, all you have practiced simple, complex and compound. You have found that there you have found what is subordinating and coordinating and correlative conjunctions. Again, I am telling you or showing some of them as since, that, if, as if, though, although, unless, and so many others. Coordinating, we have to maintain a sequence. That means I am giving you key points. Fun boys. Here is coordinating conjunctions. Though some others out of these issues or out of these points, these are for and B for but, O for or, otherwise, Y for yet, S for so. These words are used as coordinating conjunctions. Correlative is also a part of conjunctions that expresses two parts of the sentence. Suppose either, or, neither, nor, and very dot dot and not only but also these types of and more others also. Just I am giving the sense of correlative conjunctions, correlative and coordinating, subordinating. These major factors of conjunctions are used as connectors. And another, adverbs. Adverbs are also used as connectors. I will show you what type of adverbs. These type of adverbs are used as connectors because, so, therefore, consequently. Because this word is also used in the case of subordinating conjunction, but when because is used firstly before comma, because is used as adverbs. Because, so, therefore, consequently, this type of words, a lot of words here are adverbs and used as connectors. Phrase. What is phrase? All we know that phrase is a group of words that expresses a single meaning. Suppose, as a result, on the other hand, on the contrary, that's why, so, as a result, on the other hand, on the contrary, that's why these phrases are used as connectors. Not only these, and lot of phrases, words are used connectors, but it is not possible to write all the words here at a time. Prepositions. Prepositions is one of the important factors that are used as connectors, especially prepositions. For, before, after, without, but, by, to, and some other preposition also. Here is another is meaning since, but. This is are used for the multiple purposes in prepositions for, before, after, without, but, by, to, since, and there are a lot of prepositions. They are used as connectors. And finally, relative pronoun. Relative pronoun, who is used as connectors to make connection and to make a relation between the words. Suppose, what, who, whom, and why, not why, which, that. These words are used as relative pronoun, and at a time they are used to connect the words. That's why these words are called connectors. So, not only these, and lot of adverbial words, WH words are used as connectors. So, connectors especially used as conjunctions. Conjunctions are used as connectors, and adverbs, phrases, prepositions, relative pronoun. So, dear students, all you have to know these topics or these items properly. Without this you can't use connectors properly. So to know these factors is a must. So we are going to next part. So dear students, order of event. Here is some important phases or features of using connectors. Actually, in what case you will use connectors, that is shown here. Firstly, order of event. It shows the stage of work, or first, second, third, and to do the performance of the work, and to complete a work after and actually till the end of the work, how many work you have to do, actually that expresses order of event. Cause and effect, that means why you will do that and what will you get after doing that. Similarity, actually same time of works and same time of features and characteristics are expressed through this type of words. Dissimilarity, actually opposing meaning, and which expresses contradiction, that is used as dissimilarity. And comparisons, here you will find a lot of comparisons in languages. So compare between words, between things, and between animal and others. Conditions expresses for what you will do, and by the relating with other words or other persons demand, then that expresses conditions. Purposes, that means why you will do that and for what purposes you will do that. To expresses this sense, you have to word this type of words. Correlations, actually the relations you and others, make a correlations. When we say either Rana or his friend went there, this type of relations, either and or, these two connectors make a correlative relations. So one by one I will describe again. Firstly, order of the event. So firstly, secondly, thirdly, finally, then after that, in conclusion. These types of words are used as connectors in the order of event. Suppose when you are told to make a cup of tea, then you have to make a list of words that you have to first, second, third. Firstly, you have to manage tea leaves, and then you have to manage a kettle with water. Then you have to put the kettle after the fire. So this is the order of event I'm telling you. Cause and effect, result. These characteristics or this situation is also shows you that because, as, since, as a result, consequently, and there are a lot of words, these types of, and you have to use when you will find a cause. Actually, for what you can't do something, or for what you have to do something, by doing something, what you have got, this type of expressions connects with this type of words, connectors. We could not join the party because it, here example, we could not join the party because it rained. Consequently, Consequently, we missed some happy moments. Actually, here, notice here please, we could not join the party because it rained heavily. Consequently, as we couldn't join the party, somehow we have missed some important moments, happy moments. Actually, it is true. So consequently, that means consequently is the result for being absent to the party. We missed some happy moments. Actually, happy moments we missed. Similarly, as well as and like, as, such as, alike, similarly, these types of words are used to connect similarity. Actually, the same qualities, same features, same characteristics are expressed by following these types of words. Here is an example. If we notice the example, I need some books and cutters. These some books and cutters are materials. Actually, a thing. Like, here is and like Bengali, English and maths. Actually, here you will find that here is and is not necessary, but like Bengali, English, maths. These types of copies or khatas I need. Actually, Bengali is one kind of subject, English one kind of subject, maths also a subject. So these types of words are alike, that means the same. So to express similarity, you have to use as well as and, like, as, such as, alike and lot of words here. If you read books, these types of words will be clear to you. So I hope all you will read books more and more and will learn connectors properly. This is my least approach, not last. Again, when I will get time, I will present a lot of this class and rest of the class, which are dissimilarity, comparisons, conditions, purposes and correlations. So wait and watch my next videos. Be happy and be well. Thank you very much.